Do you want an amazing lawn with that deep green color? Great. Green lawns are awesome and I totally get why you'd want one. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to outline how I recommend you go about doing that. First, let's talk about soil health. If you think about it, grass is a plant and plants grow in soil. So if we're able to improve the quality of the soil, that's only going to help the quality of grass that we're able to grow. Now, how do you know whether you have good soil or bad soil? Well, you use one of these. What this is a soil test kit, and what it does is it measures the nutrient levels in the soil that's correct for your particular grass type. They are super easy to use. All you do is you take samples from various parts of your lawn, add them to the sample container, and mail it out. In about a week, you're going to get results along with product recommendations that you can add to your lawn to help improve the quality of your soil. Remember, great soil equals great grass. Next, let's talk about mowing. When it comes to mowing, more is typically better. If you want your lawn to maintain that green color in between mowings, mow more frequently. If you want to have less weeds in your lawn, mow more frequently. If you think about a golf course, the parts of a golf course that are the most green are the greens. And why is that? They're mowed practically every day. So when it comes to our purposes for creating a great lawn, the rule is get a quality mower, keep it sharp, and use it often. Now, other topics such as watering, pre-emergent, herbicides, top dressing, whether you use synthetic fertilizers or organic fertilizers, and plant growth regulators are also important areas of a lawn care program that I cover in detail in videos that you can find in the description. But to be completely honest, they don't really matter if you have bad soil and you're only mowing your lawn once every 3 weeks. In fact, if you want to see how quickly a lawn can be transformed, check out the video in this playlist. It covers a project that my neighbor and I took on where we transformed his lawn from ordinary to extraordinary, just in the course of a couple of months. If you've made it this far, I'd like to ask that you like this video and consider subscribing. That way, you won't miss out whenever I release new content. Until next time.